Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to print multiple invoice for a client in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Bulk Invoice Print menu under the Accounts module. On this Bulk Invoice Print page, we have to select the required date range. Then we have to select the account name. And also we have to click the Submit button. Now the details will be displayed on the screen. Here we have to select the required vouchers. Then we have to select the report in Select Report field. Once we have selected the report, then only print option will be enabled. Now we have to click the print button. After clicking that, then selected report page will be displayed on the screen. In this report, we can see the selected voucher details. If you want to download this detail, just click the required format in Export Output format. Then we have to click the Submit button. This is how to print multiple invoice for a client in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.